so long. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? It's DeSade, and we back at it again with the back at it again. But this time, I got a treat for you. I am showing you how to do a manicure at home. After I soak my hands for a couple of minutes in warm water, I'm gonna go ahead and take my metal pusher, and I'm just gonna push my cuticles back. I'm not pushing them back forcefully, as you all can see. I'm just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and just wanna do this from side to side, you know, to get rid of all of that that's up on your nails, child. Okay, y'all, so I did speed some parts of the video up because I didn't want y'all to be like, okay, we get it, push it back, okay. I didn't want y'all to be fast forwarding kids, so I sped it up a little bit, but please take your time. Do not be pressing down on your nail extremely hard. Do not be pressing your epinectomy all the way back. If no tissue is coming up, it's okay. Just soak your hands a little bit longer or go grab you some cuticle softener. Do not injure yourself with your metal pusher. Please don't do that. Take your time. It's fine, okay? Okay, now we have all of that tissue pushed back. We're now going to take our nail nippers to trim away the dead skin that's around our nail. Now, don't take this and be cutting yourself, pulling on it. It ain't coming out. Don't be doing it, okay? We're just using this to remove any dead skin around our nails. Or if you have a hangnail, we're going to use it to remove hangnails. Anything else? Don't get to cutting off live skin, cutting yourself, bleeding out. Some DeSade told me to do this. No, I didn't. I'm not liable. I ain't liable. Y'all can't sue me. I done told you. Alright, now it's time to shape the nail. To shape the nail, we're going to use a medium grit abrasive board. First of all, let's stop right there. Stop right there and acknowledge the fact that I said medium grit abrasive board. I ain't say get your nail fast. I said get a medium grit abrasive board. I just want y'all to notice that we come with the vibes all 2021. Don't play with me. So, once you have your medium grit abrasive board or your nail file, whatever vibe you want to go with, you're just going to shape the nail in the shape that you desire. Me, I prefer more of like a square, just a little flat top, you know. And to do this, we're not gonna go back and forth, because that's gonna disrupt the nail plate layers and cause splitting and peeling. We ain't trying to split or peel. So we're just gonna file from one side to the center of the free edge. Basically, put it at the edge, come in to the center. Put it back at the edge, come in to the center. Then you're gonna do the same thing to the opposite side. We ain't gonna go back and forth like this. We ain't doing it. All right, y'all. We're also gonna do the same thing with the buff. We're not gonna go in. We ain't doing it. Just go one side, other side, and there you go, girl. And once you're done, you should have something like this. I mean, I'm sure a lot of y'all are not gonna look like this because I'm the kid and it's hard to attain the level of achievements that I make, but you know. I'm just playing. But yeah, then we're gonna go ahead and take our, just get a hand mask, girl. I'm tired of trying to be professional. This is YouTube. Get a hand mask so when you touch somebody, when you reach out and touch somebody's hand, they gonna understand. You ain't worked a day in your life, baby. These hands ain't never worked. These hands don't know what it's like to work. Okay. I'm just playing, y'all. We work, but we ain't gotta look like it. A lot of y'all be doing the whole anti-aging thing up on your face, doing all these face masks, but you forget about them hands. Your hands can age too. So I left the mask on for 20 minutes, and once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and massage everything good into my hands, girl. I massage my hands so I can be looking young. When I'm 50, the hands is very much 25. Like, that's all I'm trying to say. Now I'm gonna take my OPI natural nail base coat. Just gonna apply this to all of my nails. Be sure to take your time so you don't get anything up on your skin. What was it? Girl, some just feel, I'm sorry. scared. I'm scared. But yeah, just make sure, to avoid your skin. And if you do get in skin, it's fine. Just get some nail polish remover, get you a thin brush. It'll come out real good. Or if you like my sister Dominique, girl, she's so ghetto. She be like, when she polish her toes, she be having stuff all on her toes, girl. Then she be telling it's gonna come off in the tube. I'm like, girl, that's very much like giving me, it ain't giving what it should have gave. Alright, y'all, and once you're done, you are going to allow it to dry completely. And then we're going to go straight in with our Sinful Colors. This is just a clear top coat. You're going to apply the same way you would the base coat. And please do thin layers. Don't apply thick layers. And then be, oh my God, you know how you touch it, it ain't dried away and it crease up. Don't do that. Just do a thin coat, let it dry. Then you can do another thin coat if you would like. And now it's time for us to apply our cuticle oil. Obviously, you're going to apply this to your cuticle area and massage this in. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Boom! There we go. Finishers up. Girl, please don't play with me. Now you looking very much clean, very much like my hygiene level is just out of this world. Okay, now it's, oh my God, look at you. You always keep yourself up. Look at your nails. You know how that be, girl. Look at me. Girl, don't play with me. Alright, y'all, if you want to be a little extra like I normally do, please click the link down below to see how to, just do your own acrylic nails at home. And it's gonna get you a man, girl. That be scaring me. Glitter tip, Miss Glitter tip with the flowers. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying they're gonna spot you from a mile away, so get ready. That's all I'm saying. Niggas lose. So yes, y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. Please give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. It don't matter. Just engage with me and leave all your questions, comments, or concerns down below. And we out of here.
I tried. You left my heart as cold as ice. And I cried. Wondering if you sleeping alone